Hey guys, today we're taking a look at removing and reinstalling a keycap on the MateBook X Pro. A Reddit user by the name of Sultan50 has asked me for help reinstalling his caps lock keycap. Now, I haven't worked with this particular keycap before, but I have uninstalled a bunch of the other keys to sell to fellow MateBook users on eBay. If you're looking for a key, check out the link in the description. But today we're just going to see if we can help out our friend Sultan50 here. So if this key is like any of the others, we would want to start by lifting the top edge of the key. So I'm just going to use my knife to help me with that. If you're patient, you can even just do that with your fingernails. Now I'm just going to try to lift up on this top right corner first. I heard it click. Lift up on the top left corner. Heard a second click. Now just kind of wiggle out the rest of the key there. There we go. Now the key is off, and let's examine the back of the key. So as you can see here, there seems to be a hook, two hooks at the bottom, and two more hooks at the top, but the bottom ones look different from the top ones. The bottom ones look like they must have something slide into them, and the top ones look like they want to grab onto something. So let's correlate that to what we see here. See, on this white hinge right here, you have these two nubs. I suspect these nubs are what need to slide into those bottom hooks. And these axles, these tiny little axles with this hole below them right here, these axles must be what the grabbers need to grab onto. So let's see if our observation is correct. I'm just going to try to hook on the metal hinge first, like that. And I'm going to try to, since the bottom hooks are the sliding type, I'm going to slide those in first, and I feel that they have caught onto something already. I can feel them kind of grabbing as I move them back and forth. Now, the top grabbers, since they need to grab onto something like that, they need to grab on those little axles, we must be very precise about where we're putting this keycap so that they can actually grab onto them. So we're just going to slide up and down until we feel that they have caught onto those little axles. Here's not quite the right place. Let's try moving them up. So I'm just going to apply pressure on the key such that I'm forcing the key upward, and let me see if I can get them to engage now. I heard a click, and I heard a second click. So there we go. The keycap is back on. So the trick was to move the keycap up and down until you can really press the grabber lock or hinge or clip, whatever you want to call it, onto the axles that they need to grab onto. And that was done by pressing the keycap and moving it upward. And there we go. Hope this was helpful, and if you're looking for a key, check out the link in the description below.